Hey folks, welcome to InTheMoneyStocks.com's live trading action video. My name is Gareth Soloway, Chief Market Strategist here. Today's date is Tuesday, October 20th, 2015. Couple things I want to go over today, folks. The S&P 500, this is the SPY 10-minute chart. This is the major level you're watching. So again, everyone's wondering, is the market going to turn down here or move back to the upside and continue to climb like it's done now for a couple weeks off of some major volatility? The answer is very simple. Just follow this vicinity here. See these two trend lines? This is your break point. Now notice how you've hit it multiple times today and you're still holding above it. As long as this holds, your positive bias should remain on the markets. If this breaks, become negative immediately, meaning that the markets will sell off very quickly to this pivot here and the 200 moving average. So you're going to go basically down to about 201.75, basically a dollar drop or more. In addition, it's my belief that if we do start to sell off below this line, it'll be the beginning of a slightly bigger sell-off in the markets, and you should see the markets actually start to head lower below 200. So I actually think you'll test this low from last week, and I actually think there's downside potential on the next wave of selling. See this big gap fill right here? There has to be a point where this gets filled, and that's at the 195 level. So basically, that would be my longer-term downside target. Now remember, folks, if the markets stay above this vicinity, you should head north, potentially taking out 204 and going to 206 on the SPY. Now, 204 was my second target, and that's basically what we hit today. Notice the high of the day, 203.84. Volume remains light, so it's impressive the markets haven't rallied off of this on light volume. But again, watch this level, guys. You can see, again, many times we're hitting into it. We haven't broken it yet. Let's watch later today. One stock taking a beating here. Take a look at Tesla, guys. Absolutely getting annihilated today, down almost 9% on the day, hitting new lows of the day. All right, there might be a good opportunity for a day trade here. Day trading opportunity if it goes straight to 203 Pierce. That's still a ways away. So again, 203 Pierce would be first spot. Second target would be for a day trade at 195. All right, but both of those levels very intriguing. And again, there's a third target here at 190.5. Now, I doubt it gets down to 190 and change. I kind of doubt it breaks 200 today. But look at this drop, guys. This is an awesome drop. Look, $21 down, over 9% now. So again, you might get to first target, in which case you can day trade it for a quick bounce, probably get about $2 to $3 bounce out of that level if it were to come straight into that level. Okay, a couple other things to note here, guys, a couple other charts of interest for me that I am following very, very closely. One would be the VXX. VXX has seen a pretty precipitous decline, meaning volatility has been subtracted out of this market. I have a lot of support down in this range, guys. It's not surprising to see a bounce, and I do expect the VXX to turn back up here in the not-too-distant future. Let me see what else is. Today we have earnings, though. So this morning or yesterday after the bell, we got earnings from IBM. IBM, atrocious earnings. Every quarter they have atrocious earnings, basically. So that's not that big of a surprise. Is costing the stock almost 6%. Today after the bell, we have Yahoo reporting. Yahoo's very extended. Wouldn't be surprised to see a little bit of a pullback on Yahoo earnings. The only thing Yahoo has going for it right now is Alibaba. All right, so take Alibaba out of the mix, and we'll see if they can come up with a rabbit out of the hat today with earnings, but I doubt it. And VMware's another one reporting today. There's a bunch of companies reporting. VMware, you can see, has fallen quite a bit here. Interesting to see that as well. All right, guys, again, keep an eye on Tesla TSLA. Again, 203 Pierce would be first day trading level. It's only about $3.50 away right now, so you have a potential for a day trade there. One last thing to note here, guys. Again, we're all about transparency here at InTheMoneyStocks.com, and I always want you guys to be fully aware of our track record, which is third-party verified. And again, if we just go to the website here, I want to show you how to find it. Very easy. We have two main services for swing traders. We have stock trading for swing traders in the Research Center and options. Research Center right here, guys. Take a look at this. Okay? And if you scroll down here and we kind of move over here, let me just go back to the top. Here's the Research Center. Scroll down. Here's your track record button. There's your to return for this year. That's 2015, guys. 2015, 771% return. Awesome. Okay, in addition, if you go to the options alerts here, the options alerts is right on that page. Just scroll down, and there it is, 2,900% return for the year. Now, again, as I always say, you'd never put 100% of your money in every trade, which is why you would get that return. Instead, let's say you put 10% in that, you would still be up 290% for the year in your options account and 77% in your swing trading stock account. All right, go look out there. Go look anywhere. You're not going to find anyone that comes close, and this is because of the proprietary PPT methodology. PPT, remember that, not plunge protection team, price, pattern, and time methodology. That's the secret here. We teach it, we elaborate, we give you all the details you need to know so you can make money. And you can follow us and make money just as easily. Take care, guys. Come join us at inthemoneystocks.com.